Somebody's shooting gun. Hey guys, so I just modified my motor mount for my drone. So it goes here on my drone, and right there there's a hole in there, so I can put these 3 wires inside, and so I do not have to push down a lot. And this is right here, it's in this natural position, so where this output is not pressing down with the pressure. Started my ESCs here. So that's a motor 1. It's not focusing, but anyway. So everything's done. Everything's soldered. And now I'm going to install my propellers, and I'm routing cable inside. And these are my motors, all good to go. 1, 2, 3, 4 motors to go. Hi everybody, so I'm making this drone, and I'm having this problem, and we are trying to work on this problem for many days now, many weeks. I hope you can hear the noises coming out the motor. Please let me know how to fix this problem in the comment below. Thank you. Alright, so my motors are spinning finally. First time arming the drone and spinning the propellers. So we have set this drone to fly autonomously, and here it's hard to see, but see all that, like a that red circle, that's a path, and it's going to fly around the campus and around here, so it's good to go. So as you see, I'm not even touching this, and it's doing on its own. Still no remote. The drone is doing it on its own. it's gonna land there.